Welcome to the late night show. Woo, 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 woo. Thank you. Love you. Thank you. Too much love in the atmosphere. You know, easy be spread the love now. Somebody blow kiss for up. You know, guy Bobby, why they do like this? What do they worry this guy? What do you want shake now? What you
spread the love now?
Now muzzle one shake. What's short to this guy? You do like this. It's not forget the way they get.
Okay, so what you guys do?
Guys like this. They like this. You understand? You could flex some things, even if you not get. Okay, so now welcome to the late night show on Wazobia TV. And of course, your boy, your guy, your G, the very guy himself, you know, Ogbon's baby. You know, Ogbon's baby. I want to introduce myself again. You understand? Because as it be like this now, you can't plan me. You get me now? Because we get my, you know now, the normal thing. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so because you don't play your own for the beginning, you want to use your own, spoil my own. What do you worry this guy? Listen, gentlemen, you're freshest, you're every, no, freshest. I never fresh too much. You understand? Your guy, you understand? The night father himself, Ogbon's baby. It not still sound very well. This guy, they plan me. And they worry you come from that side. They did this guy.
Let's
do it again.
Yes.
Your presenter, your guy, your G, me. Like this.
Go ahead now. I never help you.
Okay, your boss baby.
Yeah.
We all this swag with the labor. When I see this guy plan, you understand? One day I just come, just now all that person they do DJ work. Not saying anything, I take a sack himself, you know, just for say sacking things. You get. And of course, on top of the wheels of DJ Easy Beat. Now he sweets me. So
you feel disappointed.
No, because they shock say you just do this kind of thing. No worry. Okay, so on top of the show today, ladies and gentlemen, go make enough brain. We get 3 beautiful guests in the building. 3. Not be joke. Sometimes they see 1. Sometimes they see at all. But today we get 3. And now back to back. Code they catch everybody. Say yeah, you understand? Because Bobo illegal, everything illegal, anything illegal. But that illegal thing, okay. Pepenazi will come explain himself. Explain himself because illegal. This is why people think illegal things. It means it's not pure.
Straight up.
So
we not guys who want to paint.
How you want to paint? You understand? But these days, when they say, guy, you too bad.
As in a good thing, they mean.
A good thing.
Very
so
sad.
bad thing can't be like good, now good they be like bad. So you go explain the illegal. Maybe the illegal and say it to make brain.
Now you don't. If you can't come, I can't begin the.
No. Pepenazi, if you thief my thing, if you thief my explanation, not my thing. Don't thief my thing. How do you thief my thing? My thing is attached to me. It cannot be. My thing cannot be legal. I read. What's true to you? So we start the show now. Not go anywhere. We have started the entire show. Don't go anywhere. We're just coming back. Easy Beast takes it away. Number 1!
Bang on!
Big boss. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the world is turning to something else. Everybody on the craze now. People on the craze, not everybody. People on the craze now.
Okay.
This young girl, smally girl, you know, for outside the country there, for outside Russia, for that area. Smally say she be virgin.
Okay.
That means she never touched light before. Okay. She never wiped before. Okay. She never knocked before. She never shagged before. Never love you before. He never before. He never before. Which of that one remain again? They never peeling yam before.
Never peeling yam. You don't complete.
Okay, you said never involved for anything before.
Okay.
Now it's okay to launch the product. To launch the product, make she go on TV, on top social media,
okay.
on top where she even go do herself. Online. She just go online, you know, to sell her virginity. To sell the virginity, they sell virginity. When some people they give freely these days, they go, thank you. Your people they launch anyhow now. Some people they launch, can't relaunch later.
Can't relaunch, yes now.
So, because after they just launch the first one, they go liver, then you come again. So they go relaunch it. Twice launching.
Twice beating.
Now this money, say make you go selling virginity online for £10,000.
Wow.
Now one guy can't look for the online because say, wow, this thing is touching my heart. He's tweeting me £10,000. I will pay the money. Now he can't fly the girl come. Fly the girl come down. Now the girl come and go, wow, you are going to pay the money for me to launch my product. As the guy on land, poor the guy locked door. You will die here. He said today, come out, Lottie. Lie down there. Your father laugh. You the craze. You want £10,000. If you work for her, the craze. Meanwhile, the guy said she get acting career. She wants the money to launch her acting career.
Yeah.
So now to go sell your junction box. Your product. Twice launching. You just because now the guy said, lie down there. Last, the guy now come by force touchlight the girl. Somehow the guy can't escape the whole thing.
Based on Jason where she be.
Based on the Jason where she be, and based on the actor where she be. Then she all the bed sheet for the house, join everything together, try from window.
Okay.
They come down from that place. And she also say escape last. You know, they come the interview, police now come involved for the whole matter, come catch the guy, they come arrest him. They come interview the guy, babe. The guy come say, say this guy gentle. Say the guy they very loving and caring. Say he never shown this kind sign of rapist behavior before now. Say because when police come find that, he come say the guy don't even do this same thing to another woman again. When won't launch her own thing again online. When they go online, they launch. You call Benga for your area now. Benga come and be the chief launcher. Which one is the good they find launch?
You can't put ribbon for the front.
Exactly. We launch this thing to the name of just cut your thing. At least you could water the product. As time goes on, you know the oil, the grease, you just start to keep it alive and safe. You get me now? But not rubbish thing.
Very rubbish. Very rubbish.
On the girl side, you know get sense.
So you know will feel work. So the market without not to sell to get money.
To sell your things. Yeah? Now prostitution be this
No, because last one I saw that.
No,
this one come with price.
Just police now. Police are saying some people for area. Say they supposed arrest the girls join. Say they try sell sex. You understand? Illegally. Illegal. You understand? Illegally. Okay? Pepenazi. All right, so cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Now, people they do selfie. Don't talk on top of this show before say I beg. Based on this selfie to make everybody they calm down.
Calm down.
You know, so just calm down. People don't die put.
They don't die.
On top of car that heaven or hell. One of them is real. Some don't on top train. Electric shock some. They fall through it there. Some fall from the train. From there, some from house. Do selfie. Pass back on the you understand? So different things. Now this one now. Okay, now which one we talk some days ago? Doctor. They do so. They want come out belly for
hand inside.
Hand inside woman. They do selfie. Say this one. Now this one now. Smallio, 19 years old. DeLeon Alonzo Smith. 19 years old.
See the name, sir.
And now a long, complicated name for a complicated fellow. Though the guy don't buy now.
Ink pie.
Yeah. Now, if they carry gun, they do selfie. Gone. Gbogbo illegal. They carry gun, they do selfie. I'm gonna show you a picture. See how now. The guy is safe.
Say the guy even be safe. What did we don't for your chest?
For the lean chest, we not deal. He still put tattoo right things. Now, I enjoy why I don't want to do some kind of things for this in my life because I know say it's not going to all pure for my body. Now, the guy carry gun, what they do, you know, say, maybe you don't watch too many Tupac videos. You don't want to see Dr. Dre. You don't want many of these gangster film. You can't say, man, you're in your house, so they do gangster inside room. Say, man, what? Huh? You don't training me? What they do? Huh? Tie head, carry gun from nowhere, just like this. You know what? Come to say, huh?
So, you know, can't mistake where we capture.
Exactly. You understand me now? So, where capture supposed to take for the phone, you don't know where they go press trigger. As you do it, okay, 1, 2, po! Now there,
You
finish.
can't snap the phone.
It can't snap, everything can't splash, everything, brain scatter for everywhere. Now the guy don't buy. Everybody careful, please. Some of these gist are just today very careful with some things the way you try do yourself. Okay? And please, I know some our young people outside, everything they enter our head. But we just calm down, I beg. This whole thing,
Calm down.
Oh, calm down, no. Because some people don't pass here now, enter one of the final resting places. Okay? Even the grandma come and talk, say, I yesterday on my birthday. He come and greet me.
Yeah.
To the second day, I don't come and kill himself. Selfie stick. Selfie stick don't do now.
Yeah, of course.
Some people don't get selfie stick, they use mop. They do like this. They will put the phone, they'll time up. Everybody want to feel among. All right, so cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Still based on the online things, this particular young lady, she just take trip. Her name is Natalie Amyot. She just take trip go Australia. She reached there for like 3 months. Now she just involved with one fine tall guy.
Wow,
Based on the way she described the guy, she said the guy tall, he get broad chest, he get blue eyes, the guy all set, get long hair, just get broad chest, just very okay. One small tattoo here. Hey, he said on the first time of meeting, she just fell in love with the guy. Boss, hey, that same first time of meeting, when they meet for bar, now they stroll go house. So,
I love you.
I love your shop every moment available. Shop finish now the next day.
Yes.
So they just find their way.
Okay.
3 months later, she come find and say she don't get belly. Now she don't go online now. Travel back to the Australia. Please, have you seen one child that can handsome somebody? Then they say the person way they describe, it be like the full village. How you want to say no? Say even if the guy don't want the belly again, she just want to know. Say she tried to find the father. How you want to explain now to the picky later?
Yeah, well, actually.
She don't go from one line now. Your father was bad to us, and he died in the process. God just kill him. See how she fine.
But you get fine. Though.
Fine babe pieces. One night stand, now she do so. Easy beat. Can you imagine? These are the reasons why I always preach to people. This one night stand thing. Easy beat. Tell me the truth. If you lie here, you will die. On this, you will die. Easy beat, you will die if you lie again. For just clarity, you will die if you lie. Yeah.
Calm down now.
Okay, you don't ever do one night stand before. Not show me anything. Not they show me anything. You don't do one night stand before.
No.
All our guests today remind me.
No.
They will confess on this show.
Yes, but they're not going to talk truth.
No, they will die. They don't do it. Okay. But anyway, guys, well, she said she doesn't see they find the guy online on top Facebook. She don't open one Facebook page and everything just to find the guy. Well, we wish you luck, Natalie, as they find this particular guy. We come and give you a belly. That guy, you'll be a jaw guy. You will be a jaw. Now once they score.
Straight up.
2 days later. Hey. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that will come on top everything we concern the cocoa of the day. How you feel about the whole every. So let us know on Twitter at W Late Night Show. Knock your own gist for there, and then from there we'll know how things go take go. All right, so quickly, I'll bring my guy, my G, after this break, Pepenazi, to enter inside the building. Just come follow us, relate more on top of illegal things, and then from there bring in Aramide, and then we'll give one guy who can't show himself. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.